subscribe button down below. And don't forget to press the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. Now, I know you guys see that I'm in like a new, like, you know, location, like lighting situation or whatever. So like a few videos ago when I was doing the haul, I did tell you guys to look out for a video. And the reason why we spent, y'all, I'm so sorry about the noise in the back. Let's wait until this car leaves. Okay, but anyways, but I was telling you guys how we spent about like $5,000 or $4,500 on appliances and all furniture and stuff like that. And that's because, as you guys, I'm pretty sure y'all read about the title, that's why y'all clicked on the video. We finally bought a house. Me and my sister bought our mom a house or whatever. Disclaimer, this is I don't want to say modern, but this is your everyday typical person that's making underneath. It's a regular person house. It's not nothing like humongous. It's not like all extra and shit. And if you do have anything fucking negative to say, that shit will get deleted. But we fell in love with this house when we first seen it and stuff like that. So I hope you guys like it. And if you don't, I don't care. But yeah, but I'm gonna start off in the front and I'm just gonna show you guys whatever. So all right, so I know the floor is, you guys, the door is open, so it's hard to hear anything. But when you first walk in, this is the entryway. Okay, you can close the door, but that's the entryway. Come in and then show them the door. And that's just the front door right there. That's the front door, but and then so right here is just the entryway. Now when you look to your left, right, when you look to your right here, this is one of the rooms. In total, this house has 5 bedrooms. It has 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So right here, this is the first bedroom. Can you come in? Yeah, this is gonna be a ratchet ass house tour, okay? But this is the first room or whatever, and this is its closet. It's just like a regular size closet. Can you come in and check it? Damn. So it's like your regular standard closet. Now, one thing about this house is we mainly bought it because everything was like all new and they fixed everything up. So that was the main reason why we got this house. Now, left, right. On the other right, this is the second room to the house, and we're still in the entryway of the house. So this is the second room, which is my sister's room, the one that's holding the camera right now. Can you come in? Come in and like fucking look around.
Yeah, this is my room.
It's the closet.
It's not really big. I mean, the rooms are not really big.
Is this your fucking house tour? Is this your house tour? I'm fucking confused. Anyway, this is my sister's room or whatever. She kind of got the second biggest room or whatever in a sense, but yeah, it has like your standard lighting and stuff like that. But this is the second room. Now, right here, we're still in the little hallway, as you can see. I don't want you guys to see back there yet. And then this is kind of the master bedroom, you could say. This is where my parents are gonna stay. It's not as big. This was one of the things that I'm sorry guys, it is going to be very echoey because obviously it is a house, empty house tour, so there's no furniture in here. So everything is echoey. But we were expecting the master bedroom to be a little bit bigger, but it wasn't. But honestly, it's not that serious. And this is their master bathroom. You guys, I love their bathroom. So like when you look right here, the lights. Oh, sorry, I didn't turn on the light. But when you look right here, it has like a Jack and Jill closet. So like there's 2 closets in here. And it's connected to the bathroom. Now this is a huge overview of their bathroom. This is their bathroom, you guys. Their bathroom is really cute. Now the only thing is, I can go on and on all the things that I wish that was fixed. But like for instance, they could have had enough space to do 2 sinks, but one is fine. They aren't complaining or whatever. But overall, I really do love their bathrooms. Look forward to having, you know, all my little tutorials like in this bathroom. So remember this bathroom. But yeah. And then, okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys all the rooms first. So ignore like half of it. So I'm gonna put you guys down right now. I'm gonna show you guys all the rooms first. Now this is the 4th bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom, and this bedroom is gonna be for my stepbrothers. And it's pretty small. I mean, it's 2 of them. They're just gonna get like 2 twin-size beds or whatever. So it's like it's a decent size to fit like 2 little twin-size bed, and they have your average regular closet or whatever. So, but yeah, nothing too major or whatever. And then now this is the final room. You guys don't mind this thing that I have on this floor. I was waiting for someone. We had to bring in some of the stuff. This is my room, you guys. So let me move this right here. So this is my room, and this is my closet. I got the better closet than her. So this is my closet. You guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned because I am gonna do a separate video of its own just to organizing my closet, because I have this vision of putting in like, you know, like shelving and stuff like that in here, and I might take out this door to have like an open like closet type thing. But you guys, my room is about to be a whole vibe. Like, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys can see me, like, you know, build my room up, like do a little 360 of how it's looking right now, because after I fix it up, you guys are gonna be like, damn, like she did that shit. But my room is about to be a vibe. All right, so that's the final room, and then I'm gonna take you guys to the laundry room. Everything is kind of like straight down. There's not really no like twists and turns throughout this house, which I don't really mind, so it's not that serious, but everything is basically straight down. This is the laundry room. It's a decent sized laundry room. Like, we're gonna have our washer and dryer right here. And we still have to bring that from our other place, but this is a washer and dryer. And I'm also thinking of like putting shelving in here, or like a little table and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a pretty big space. This is like to the backyard. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. I might, but right here,
the backyard looks crazy.
Right here is just we thought this was where the water heater was gonna be at, but apparently this is the water heater. It's pretty small, so this is gonna function as a storage, and we are gonna take this door out because it opens on the inside, and it don't really make sense for you to be storing things in there, and the door opens from the inside. So we'll probably change it to the outside, or we're gonna have a slide-in door. Now, next to the little storage is our main bathroom, because I showed you guys my parents' bathroom. So this bathroom is pretty small. I really was disappointed. You guys, don't mind the missing mirror, because the people didn't put fucking mirrors in here. I don't know why, but that's just something that we're just gonna buy probably tomorrow. We're gonna buy that tomorrow. But and also we're thinking of changing the sink because it's way too small, and we wanted a more modern sink top. We didn't really like this one, so most likely we might change this. But overall, it's just a decent little sized bathroom. I mean, it don't need to be that big. All you gotta do is come in and shit and poop and whatever and take a shower. So it's not serious. Now, yeah, the main reason why we fell in love with the house was because of this. Was because of this damn fucking kitchen. Like, is the lighting good?
Yeah.
You guys, tell me you guys don't love this kitchen. Like, it was like the number one thing we were looking for is like a place that has a really nice kitchen. And when I tell you guys, when we seen this, we fell in love. Like, as you guys can see, like, it has so much storage. It has so much storage. The lighting is like beautiful. I love the way the sink was set up and everything. But yeah, that's how it's looking. They just came in and like put in these appliances, but honestly, you guys, now this is a sore eyes for the kitchen. They just bring this in here, but I didn't know this was the kind of fridge that they were going to choose. We're gonna go see if we are able to change it out to either stainless steel or like a black appliances, because I don't really like this. It didn't fit the space, but we might change it. But honestly, if we can't, this is just gonna have to do for a while. But overall, like, you guys, I love this kitchen. Like, And then it has like, come you guys, it has the soft closing up like thing and stuff like that. I fell in love with the railings and stuff, but overall I love this kitchen. And the kitchen is connected to right when you turn around, it's connected to the living room, so it's just one open space. But when we like set it up, you guys are gonna see the way we're gonna try to like, you know, close it off so it can be its own section. Like you guys, the way we're gonna decorate this house is about to be a whole vibe. Make sure you subscribe, because I am gonna be doing, like, I'm gonna get into like, not DIYing, but basically like decorating this house. So make sure you guys subscribe to come back and see how we transform this space or whatever, because we already bought all the appliances, so keep a lookout for that video. But overall, that's kind of it. We love this house. We just closed on it today. Finally, you guys, just know the process was not like easy or whatever, but overall, that's kind of it. I don't know how people finish house tours, but that's kind of it. You guys keep a lookout for the furnished house tour or just videos of me just, you know, fixing the furnitures and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.